Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So this is the outside of the house we'll be showcasing today. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
For you, I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting?
So this house we are showcasing is a 2-bedroom house. The building also has a 1-bedroom house. The advantage of this 2-bedroom, it's a master and suite. Enjoy the video. This is the kitchen of the first house we are showcasing. I love how you have enough storage to put your stuff and the space in the kitchen.
For you, I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you?
This is the sitting area. So here we have master and suite bedroom. So from the wardrobe you can directly go to the washroom on this other side. This is the second bedroom of this house. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that subscription button. This is a new building, so most of the installations haven't yet been fixed, but they are still in progress.
On you, I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting?
But they will be fixed before tenants are allowed inside the house. So this is the second two-bedroom we are showcasing. After this, we are going to showcase the one-bedroom house, and we'll finish our video.
Find you, I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Oh, dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Oh, would you be waiting?
This is the master bedroom of this house. After this, we are going to check out the kitchen, then the one bedroom, and we are done with the video. the last house we are showcasing, still on the same building, 1-bedroom house. I love how spacious this living room is. The price of this 1-bedroom is 20,000 Kenyan shillings per month. The price of the 2-bedroom houses, the first 2 houses, is 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month. More details about this house will be in the description box. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting?